Hello lovely people, you are welcome to my kitchen. Today we are going to prepare sobolo. I'm going to share my sobolo, zobo, bisab drink recipe with you today. And so we have with me 1 cup of sobolo leaves. I have sugar, and I have pineapples, I have ginger, I have Negro pepper, I have cloves, I have this dry pepper. I'm not going to blend it. I'll just add it to the leaves and boil it. Now I have sweetener also here. I'll divide the sobolo into 3. 1 part is going to be sweetener and the other 2 is going to be sugar. The 1 part is going to be for me. And I have this mixed fruits flavor here. You can use pineapple flavor to do this. And this is the quantity of water I have. I'm not using much water. After boiling, then I'll add the water that I need. So I'm going to add my sobolo leaves to the water and then take it to fire and let it boil very well. And this is what I'm going to do. I'm dividing the Negro pepper into 2 and add 1 to it. Then the other, I'm going to blend it and add it to it. Then I'll add this dry pepper also to it. Okay. And so I will blend the cloves, the Negro pepper and ginger and add it when the sobolo is well boiled. Then I'll add it before I'll take it off fire. And I'm doing it this way because I want to get the flavor of this in it very well and get the ginger also in it very well. So I'm going to put the sobolo on fire. Okay, so while we wait on our sobolo to get boiled, I'm going to work on the pineapple now. Okay guys, I've blended my ginger, the cloves and the Negro pepper. I'm going to add a bit of water to it and then add it to the sobolo on fire. The sobolo is boiling very well. And I've worked on my pineapples. I'll blend it. This will be the last thing I will add after straining the sobolo. These are the pineapple peels. I'm going to boil that one separately. What I do is I don't add it to the sobolo leaves and boil. I realize that when I do that, it absorbs some of the sobolo's color. So I try to boil that one separately. Then later I strain it and add the water to the sobolo. So that is what I'm going to do now. So as we can see, our sobolo is boiling very well. Oh, because of the vapor, I hope you can see it well. Okay, so now I'm adding this to it. And I'll let it boil for some few minutes, then I'll take it off fire. Yes. So our sobolo is ready and we are going to strain it very well. This is our blended pineapple and this is the pineapple peels. We just finished boiling it. I'm straining it 2 times. The first strain, I'm using this net to strain it very well. Okay, so I'm going to add the water on the pineapple peels to it. I'm adding additional water so that I can get all the color from the sobolo leaves. Okay, so I'm going to strain it for the second time, and this one I'm using this strainer to do it. You can decide to use cheesecloth so you can get everything out. I'm going to strain the pineapple too. I reserve some of the sobolo to use it to get everything out of the pineapple. I don't want to use water again, so I'm using sobolo. Okay, so this is our sobolo. It's ready, and I'm going to add my flavor to it. It's optional. It's optional. You don't really have to add it, okay? And you can use any flavor of your choice. I'm going to add a bit of pineapple flavor to it. So with this, I'm going to divide it into three. One portion is going to be for my sweetener, and the two is going to be for sugar. Okay, so this is our Sobolo Bisab or Zobo drink. Please, if you have not yet subscribed, consider subscribing. Thanks so much for watching. Bye bye.